Good morning students, Suprabhatam. Now in standard 6, we will learn new lesson number 2, Akasah Patati. Akasah. Akasah means what? Sky. And Patati means falling. Means what is the meaning of Akasah Patati? Akasah Patati means the sky is falling. Okay. First, I will tell you the story. Okay. There is one forest, and in forest a rabbit lives there. Okay, there is one forest, a rabbit lives there. Rabbit sleeps, means a rabbit is sleeping, and at that time a leaf falls. Okay, rabbit is sleeping, and at that time a leaf falls. A rabbit is frightened. वो घबरा जाता है. A rabbit is frightened. Dhavati means a rabbit runs. Okay, a leaf falls. The rabbit is frightened. Here a rabbit runs. The rabbit says, "Brother Fox." Then rabbit meets fox. Rabbit says to fox, "Brother Fox runs. The sky is falling." The rabbit runs. Okay, and the fox is running behind rabbit. Now, on that way, there is also monkey. And monkey says, "Why are you running?" And the rabbit says, "The sky is falling." So, brother fox also running, and brother monkey is also running behind the rabbit. Now, on that way, there is also lion, and lion says, "Stop. Why are you running like this?" And rabbit says, "Lion, the king, run. The sky is falling." And the lion laughs. Where is sky is falling? Okay, please show me the place where the sky falls. And the rabbit shows the place, and the lion laughs. And the rabbit runs. Okay. Now I will tell you the story. Now we will learn in paragraph wise. Okay. Now first line. Ekam vanam asti. Okay. Ekam vanam asti. Asti means is. Vanam means forest, means there is one forest. Okay. Tatra sasakah nivasati. Tatra sasakah nivasati. Tatra means there, sasakah means rabbit, and nivasati means lives. Means a rabbit lives there. Okay. There is one forest, a rabbit lives there. Sasakah sayanam karoti means a rabbit sleeps. Okay. Now, parnam patati means leaf. A leaf falls. Sasakah bitah bhavati. The rabbit is scared. The rabbit is frightened. Why? Because a leaf falls, the rabbit is frightened. Bitah means frightened. And sasakah means rabbit, and parnam means leaf. Okay, a leaf falls, the rabbit is frightened. Now, sasakah dhavati, shrugalah agachati. Okay, the rabbit runs. Okay, dhavati means run. Rabbit runs. Shrugalah agachati. Shrugalah means fox. A fox comes. Okay. Sasakah dhavati, shrugalah agachati means a rabbit runs and the fox is coming. Now, sasakah vadati, shrugal vada dhavatu, akasah patati. Rabbit says, sasakah vadati means rabbit says, brother fox runs. Okay, brother fox run. Akasah patati, the sky is falling. ससकः धावति. A rabbit runs. Shrugalः अनुधावति. Means the fox is running behind rabbit. Okay. Sasakah vadati means a rabbit says. Shrugal brata. Brata means brother. And dhatu means run. Shrugal brata dhavatu. Akashah patati means brother fox runs. The sky is falling. Sasakah dhavati. A rabbit runs. Shrugalah anudhavati. A fox is also run behind the rabbit. Okay. Now, Vanarah agachati. Who is coming? Vanarah agachati. Vanarah means monkey. A monkey comes. Sasakah vadati. Vanar brata dhavatu. Akashah patati. Rabbit says, brother monkey. Dhavatu means run. The sky is falling. Okay. Vanaraha agachati. Vanaraha means monkey. Sasakaha means rabbit. Vanar bhrata. Bhrata means brother. And vanar means monkey. Dhavatu means run. Akasaha means sky. And patati means falling. Vanaraha agachati means a monkey comes. And a rabbit says, brother monkey runs. The sky is falling. Okay. First, there is one forest. A rabbit lives there. Rabbit is sleeping. And at that time what happened? A leaf falls. And the rabbit is frightened. And a rabbit runs. And on that way he meets a fox. And a rabbit says, brother fox, run. The sky is falling. So, a rabbit runs and the brother fox is also running behind the rabbit. Now, on that way, a monkey comes. Okay, monkey comes and the rabbit says, brother monkey runs. The sky is falling. Okay, the monkey comes, the rabbit says, brother monkey runs. The sky is falling. Patati means falling. Now, Bitaha sasakaha dhavati means the frightened rabbit. Bitaha means frightened or scared. Okay. Bitaha sasakaha dhavati means the frightened rabbit runs. Shrugalaha anudhavati. A fox is also running behind the rabbit. Vanara api anudhavati. And a monkey also runs behind them. Okay. Bitaha sasakaha. Bitaha means frightened. Sasakaha means rabbit. And dhavati means run. Okay. Shrugalaha means fox. Anudhavati means follow. Vanaraha means monkey. Api means also. And anudhavati means behind, run. Okay. Means what happened? The scared rabbit runs. The fox also follows the rabbit. And a monkey also runs behind the rabbit. Okay. The sasakaha dhavati. Bita means scared, frightened. The frightened rabbit runs. Shrugalaha anudhavati means the fox is running behind them. Vanaraha api anudhavati. Vanara means monkey. The monkey also running behind them. Okay. I hope you understand all the paragraph. First, what is the story? There is one forest. Rabbit lives there. A rabbit sleeps, and at that time what happens? A leaf falls, and the rabbit is scared, and the rabbit runs, and on that way he meets fox, and rabbit says, brother fox runs. The sky is falling. The rabbit runs, and the fox is also running behind the rabbit. Now on that way a monkey comes, and monkey says, "Why are you running?" And a monkey comes. The rabbit says, "Brother monkey runs. The sky is falling." The scared rabbit runs, and a fox also runs behind the rabbit, and a monkey is also running behind them. Now in standard 6, we will learn lesson Akasaha Paddhati. Now we know that in that story, first who will come? First Mrugala, means fox comes, and then who will come? Monkey. Okay, monkey, and then after a lion comes. Okay, see here, Siha agachati. Agachati means comes. Okay, Siha agachati means a lion comes. Siha vadati sasaka kimartham dhavati. Kimartham means why, and dhavati means running, and sasak means rabbit. Siha vadati means a lion says, "Why are you running?" Okay, now we see the translation. Sih agachati means a lion comes. Siha vadati, a lion says. Sasaka kimartham dhavati means a lion says, "Why are you running?" Okay, now next, Sasakaha vadati means Sasakaha vadati means a rabbit says. Vadati means says. Si bhrata dhavatu akasaha patati. Sasakaha means rabbit, vadati means says, brata means brother, and si means lion. What says rabbit? Rabbit says, "Brother monkey, run. The sky is falling." Akasaha patati means the sky is falling. Sinha vadati means lion says, "Kutra patati akasa." Where is the sky falling? Okay, kutra means where. Kutra means where. Patati means falling, and akash means sky. Means a lion says, "Where is the sky falling?" Okay, now we see the translation. Sasakaha vadati means a rabbit says. Si bhrata means brother lion. Dhavatu means run. Akasaha patati, the sky is falling. Siha vadati kutra patati akasaha. Lion says, "Where is the sky falling?" Okay, now what happened? Sasakaha gachati means a rabbit goes. Means gachati means jana. Siha anugachati means a lion also follows the rabbit. Okay, Sasakaha means rabbit, gachati means going, Sih means lion, and anugachati means follow. Okay, means a rabbit goes, a lion follows rabbit. Okay, now in next paragraph, Sasakaha वृक्ष समीपम आगच्छति. ससकः वृक्ष समीपम आगच्छति. ससकः means rabbit, वृक्ष समीपम means समीपम means near, and वृक्ष means tree, and आगच्छति means coming. Okay, what happened? A rabbit comes near the tree. सिंह वदति कुत्र पतति आकाशः. Lion says, "Where is the sky falling?" ससकः किमपि न वदति. Okay, ससकः किमपि न वदति. A rabbit does not speak anything. Okay, ससकः किमपि न वदति. सिंह हसति. हसति means laugh. Okay, laughing. Sasakah किमपि न वदति means a rabbit does not speak anything. Siha hasati means rabbit, a lion laughs. Sasakah palayanam karoti. The rabbit runs away. Okay. Now we see the translation. Sasakah vruksha samipam agacchati means the rabbit is coming near the tree. Vruksha samipam means near the tree. Siha padati. Putra padati akasah means the lion says, where is the sky falling? Siha hasati. Hasati means laugh. Okay. The rabbit does not say anything. Okay. Sasakaha palayanam karoti. Okay. The rabbit does not speak anything. Okay. Now what happened? Siha hasati means the lion laughs. Okay. The lion laughs. Sasakaha palayanam karoti means the rabbit runs away. Okay. Now, Sasakaha vruksha samipam gacchati means the rabbit is coming near the tree. Siha vadati putra padati akasaha. Okay, a lion says, where is the sky falling? Sasakaha kimapi na vadati. The rabbit does not speak, does not say anything. Siha hasati means the lion laughs. Sasakaha palayanam karoti means the rabbit runs away. Okay, you have to write all the paragraph. Okay, with translation. First you write this paragraph and you write the translation. Okay, Sanskrit, and you have to write the English translation in your notebook. Okay, with clear handwriting. And now I hope you understand all the story. First, the sky is falling. Okay, what happened first? There is one forest. Who will sleep? Okay, rabbit. And then what happened? A leaf falls. And then after what happened? Rabbit runs. Why? Because he imagines that the sky is falling. But really the sky is falling? No. Only leaf falls. And then what happened? A Shrugal means a fox comes. Okay. And then Shrugal means fox is also run behind the rabbit. And on that way, who made? He makes monkey. And monkey also behind the rabbit. And now lion comes. And lion also run and says, where is the sky falling? Show me the place. And rabbit says, come near to me, and he shows the place, and only leaf falls, and see means a lion laughs and a rabbit runs